Hello people, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn the differences and uses of say, tell, speak, and talk. Mayam, ngasigi parasidi, hauzik hairibo wahay marise. Say, tell, speak, talk. Hairiba, wahay marisigi kenabasini, dumogi sizinafamsini kunitamudoribasi. They seem to mean the same thing. Mui sap manava. Moina haiba hainingiba potse. Sizinafamse sap manaboy khalle. But there are a lot of differences. So in order to speak or write English correctly, you need to learn the differences. You need to know the differences. English po fazana ige na tragna fazana ngangi haragati, sumna ngangi haragati, sumna ige haragati. Makoy kena ba masung sizina famsi kang badar lay. Ahan badai koy tell na traga tol se. Sige matang tamsi. Let's first of all learn about tell or tol. Tell present and tol past. Tell is in a present ni, aduga tol the is in a past ni. It means to give information. Karigumba information karapi with the sizinavniko. Tell or tol se. Always followed by a person. Mi ama na follow to gudabni. Husik harba tell na traga tol ji hai graba. Why is e graba na traga ngang graba. Matungda person naman na mi ama na follow to gudabni. Mi maming obi na traga mi obi him obi na traga her obi dumaina follow to gudabni. Example when harba for example, I told Tomba to come here. Tomba da ina sida lao haina hairami. I told Tomba to come here. He won't tell you the truth. Mahagna nangonda chumba karisu hairoi. Chumba hairoi. He won't tell you the truth. So let's learn about say or said. Say present and said past. Say something. Say something. Karigumba mahaya to a person. Kanagumba mahaya. Say something to a person. What did Chauba say to you when you slapped him? What did Chauba say to you when you slapped him? Slap means kupang thab. Say something. Number 2 da say something. Karigumba ama hayu. Kamala says she goes to school only to meet her friends. Kamala na school Kamala na harami matadi na school chatlibasi mama nabi sing unabagi khattani. Kamala says she goes to school only to meet her friends. Kamala says she goes to school only to meet her friends. 3 da something a person said. Kanagumba mana karigumba ma harami. Something a person said. I hate snakes. Bala said. I hate snakes. Bala said. Ay lin sing butukachay. Lin pam de havni ko. Ay lin sing butukachay. Kanan hai. Bala said. Bala na harami. 4. Say that something. Say that something. Kaiku said that Kamala is beautiful. Kaikuna harami Kamala zi yamna phasayana. Kaiku said Kamala is beautiful. Sidadi Kamala was beautiful. Habi adeko. Kamala is beautiful. Adi Kamala zi hingiba. Dagumba. Hozi hozik layriba miya manina. Rule gi matungina. Kaiku said that Kamala is beautiful. Hainem. Lay matang dadi number 3 let's learn. Speak or spoke. Speak present and spoke past. Speak with someone. Kanagumbam da. Kanagumbam ka wari sana ngang nabako. Speak to someone. Kanagumbam da. Wakara haiba. Speak to someone. Gokul and Sonia spoke to the director last night. Gokul ga Sonia gana makoy gi director duda wari harmiko. Spoke kano duga director duda wari kara ngarang numidang harme sarmeba. Gokul and Sonia spoke to the director last night. Number 2 example number 2 dako. Olen needs to speak with his class teacher about the new assignments. Olen nama gi class teacher duga anoba assignments ing dugi maramda wari watai har to badar kala ko. Olen needs to speak with his class teacher about the new assignments. Example number 3. I speak Manipuri. I Manipuri ngangi. I speak Manipuri. Okay, okay, number 4 today. Talk. Talk haiba wahisiga speak haiba wahisiga moiga adum puna sinaba yaba pon ngantani ko. Aduga in case of speak with or speak to, you can also use talk to or speak with. Karigumba speak with haisi mi amga kangnabda speak with natragana speak to sinargadi talk with natraga talk with natragana talk to haiba sinaba yaba. Mabanimak sinaba sab adum summeba ko. Both are correct. Speak with or talk with, speak to, talk to. Adubu, but you can say, I don't talk Manipuri. Ay Manipuri ngang have say. I don't talk Manipuri habi ko. You can't say I don't talk Manipuri. You have to say I don't speak Manipuri. Adubu, you have to kari hagani. I don't speak Manipuri haganeba. I don't talk Manipuri harib ko. That's all, guys. A very short lesson, but very useful. Using this differences, knowing these differences, you can definitely write your English or speak English correctly when it comes to say, tell, speak, or talk. That's all, guys. Have a good time. Enjoy yourself. Relax yourself. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And also like and comment for your suggestions. Thank you.